Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to easily use the free XSplit Express Video Editor. Stay tuned. So those of you looking for a free solution to edit videos, trimming, splicing, and putting clips together, XSplit Express Video Editor probably is the best solution for you. It's free, lightweight, and really easy to use. I'll show you where to download it right now. Alright, so I'll show you where to install XSplit Express Video Editor. It's really simple. If you're an XSplit Broadcaster, go up to the Tools menu and look for XSplit Express Video Editor. You can click on this here, and it will take you to the website to download it. If you already have it installed, you can also click this from XSplit Broadcaster to start editing your videos right away. It's pretty handy that way too. Okay, so here we are at xsplit.com. In the lower right, we have XSplit Express Video Editor. We can click this, and this will take us to the install page and downloading it. So download for Windows 10, install, and you'll be ready to go. Again, it's totally free. So I'm going to show you the basics of the video editor. It's very lightweight and fast, and this is the best tool for trimming, splicing, and putting your gaming clips or other clips that you make in XSplit Broadcaster together. So tools here, and click on XSplit Express Video Editor to open up now that is installed. Alright, and here is the main page. So we have Open Project. If we already have a saved project, we can open from here. We can add our video clips from this area. It's also a tutorial here and a manual in case you want to learn more about the Express Video Editor. At the bottom we have our timeline, which is really good. We have our adding clips down here. We have splitting, undo, redo, and trash. In the lower right we have our ability to zoom in or zoom out on the timeline, which is very handy as well. And you can also use the arrow keys too to go frame by frame in your videos to make sure you split or trim at a very specific spot. So we're just going to import a few clips of mine and put them together for this tutorial today. Click on Add Video Clip here and go and find our files. I'm going to bring in my intro that I have a gaming intro. Here's my newest one for Nintendo Chit Chat. We'll bring this one in here, clicking Open, and it imports the video right into the timeline here. So we can click play here, of course, and you'll see that play. I'll turn the main volume down here as well so it doesn't overdo my voice. There we go. So we're going to keep this video pretty much intact. I'm not going to cut anything from it whatsoever, but I do want to add videos after this. So click down to add clips again, and we'll go into the next clip. Go and find my trailer here. I do have a 60-second trailer I can import here, so we'll import this trailer in. And I do want to actually trim something off of this one. Now, of course, here's play button and pause. If we click the left button here on the left side, it goes all the way back to the start. And this button over here, all the way to the right, goes all the way to the end of that clip to the next clip. So we could push play here, and that plays our next clip that we just input into the system here. We can also go fast forward or rewind. If you hold it down, it goes faster. And rewind, same thing. You can also do it frame by frame, one click at a time. And again, or your arrow keys as well, going one frame at a time, as you can see down here. 1710 right here. Hit the right arrow key, 1711. So frame by frame if you want that very specific cut or trim. Also says here to click to skip frames using mouse wheel. So you can also do that as well. You can scroll up or down, going frame by frame. That really is a good, powerful way of trimming your clips at a very pinpoint accuracy. Okay, so this particular trailer here for my teaser channel, it has the logo over a good portion of the beginning of it, so I want to kind of get rid of that because I already have a beginning part of our video. Here is going to be my intro, my main intro, this one right here. There we go, that one right there. So I want to keep this intact, but trim off this next clip a little bit. Going to hit the magnifying glass a little bit here to zoom out. I'm going to push play and see how far this logo actually stays on the video. I had this edited for me a couple of years back, and if I want to trim these clips together, I kind of want to have it so the logo isn't just showing the entire time here, especially since our first clip is our new intro. Alright, it's still on, and it should be cutting off here soon. Moving on to the next part of the teaser. Alright. It's going to happen here soon, about 35 seconds into this video. We get into some more different kind of, there we go, talking about unboxings that I do for video games and that kind of thing. There we go, boom. So I'm going to push pause here. I'm going to zoom in to the lower right here. Get closer into the timeline a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use the arrow key and go left to go back a few frames and see when this actually comes up. Okay, so that's zooming in on that page, and there's the logo there. So, okay, so we're going to go back a few arrow clicks to the right now. When this is full screen, where it says amazing or awesome game content, that is full screen right there. Yeah. So that's the frame where it's full screen right there. I'm going to trim this clip now and remove this part in the front. I'm going to click on split and bring our tool over to our timeline cursor and click there. And now we have the split right at that moment, the perfect keyframe right there at 40:21. I'm going to click on this here then to get rid of the splitting tool and click this front section and just push a trash can to get rid of that. And now we have the intro, and it will go right into this awesome gaming content screen into the rest of the trailer. So let's try it out. Push play, watch from the beginning here a little bit. So cool intro for Nintendo Chit Chat. This is the untouched clip, so we're kind of splicing these two clips together now and removing that first half of the second clip. So it should go right into here, and boom, perfect. You couldn't ask for anything better than that. We're going to bring a third clip in just for the sake of the tutorial today. So what's really cool is if you're doing video games or recording other videos in XSplit Broadcaster, you can go right from XSplit Broadcaster right into the video editor through the tools menu, and then any recordings you've done, all of your clips, you can put them together into one big clip if you want to, or also just splice up or trim parts out of your particular recording. So it's really up to you. Alright, so I'm bringing my next clip. I'm going to click Add Video here. A few other little trailers here as well. Let's see. I do have like another teaser that lasts a little bit less than 60 seconds. I'm going to also import that. Here it is, I think teaser channel. So we'll click on this and open it up. Alright. Click on this to go right to the next clip. And let's see here. So let's see what this clip is. So it also has a logo coming up here as well, but it doesn't last as much as the first one that we just edited. So once this logo comes off, we'll probably clip it out of there as well. Yeah. Alright, so we have the game Splatoon 2 in frame. Let's go back using the arrow keys again, or the mouse wheel, and just see when that logo exits out. Cool little zoom effect there. Alright. And right there, so you can see Mario's head, that's a logo. And we're going to key it out right there, okay. Going to click on split. Bring my tool over here, click, get rid of the tool, select that split part and trash that, and perfect. Now I do want to see where the other video ends, so let's go back to the other trailer. You can kind of click and drag along the timeline here a little bit to see the logo come back into the video. So let's trim that out now as well. Alright, yeah, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe. We'll put this here where it says Incredible Channel. We'll kind of leave that be. A few arrow keys to the left here so it's in frame. That's pretty good. So this is just an example for you guys today. Again, if you're just doing one video, of course you can just edit that and trim that up if you want to, or again, like you see me doing here, adding in clips and editing these clips together into one final video at the end then. Back to split, click, and we'll get rid of this last part. Make sure it's highlighted, and trash, that gets rid of that. Cool. So let's see how this looks now from the beginning. All right, let's give this a play here. So I'm just giving you an example here through the tutorial just to show you what you can do in XSplit Express Video Editor. Again, you can be really fine-tuning your cuts and trims, which is really good, frame by frame. That goes into the next one, perfect. So remember now we cut off the back half of this first trailer, so it should end before it gets to the subscribe now and the other logo again. And the last trailer we also imported, we also cut the logo out of that in the beginning. Perfect. So nice little kind of flow there from one to the other. And I can actually let this kind of run through its rest of the trailer as it kind of ends everything here. And that's good. So now when you're done editing, trimming your clips, splicing your clips together, go down to export here, and you can export project or clip. You can also save up here, file, save. We're going to save as here just to test this out. Tutorial teaser, and you'll save this anywhere you want, and it'll be saved as XSplit Express Video Editor project. Click on save. Perfect. So if we wanted to come back to this and re-edit it, we could do that with the project saved. Let's go to export. I'm going to export here. So now you can title it again, tutorial teaser. As you see here, it will save it as MP4. That's what we want. Perfect, and save. It's rendering it now. So overall, this is about maybe a couple of minutes in length, this particular video, so not very long. Yeah, just about a minute actually, a little bit less than a minute, so rendered very fast. That's cool. Minimize this. Hey guys, and let's bring up our video now. Get rid of the voice mod here. Alright, tutorial teaser, perfect. Click on this and watch. So we just trimmed all this together into one video for you. Watching this all the way through, at least for the edits we made. Alright, so here's our first edit. Beautiful. And this is, of course, the final product now as well. Keep that in mind. So once this part of the trailer ends here, we go into the next one, and we should be good. Good. Coming up in the next part here. Perfect. Alright, so there you go. Really cool, really easy to do. And that is XSplit Express Video Editor. Really powerful and lightweight tool to use to be able to trim, splice, and add your clips together into one really cool video for yourselves. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments below how you make out. And thanks for watching. So there you have it, really easy to use and free. You can't get better than that. Let me know in the comments below if you do choose to use the XSplit Express Video Editor for yourselves. Make sure you hit the like button for us as well and subscribe. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddie Show. We'll see you back here next time.